Us, Impzです。Hey, what's up? こんばんは。So, in this video, more cool stuff from Tokyo Comic Con 2019, TCC2019. And in this video, we take a look at the S.H.Figuarts Harley Quinn Birds of Prey version. And yeah, this is from the upcoming new movie. And this is still not set for release yet. But I imagine it's just a matter of time because the movie's coming out. And they usually, time it with the movie, so yeah, I would imagine it's gonna get the green light soon. But yeah, no release date, no price yet, but yeah, looking forward to seeing more. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Please feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね。